welcome to another Tagalog language lesson. How are you all? In Tagalog, inaanyayahan ko po kayo sa isa pang muling pag-aaral ng Tagalog language. In English, I welcome you all to another Speak Tagalog language learning lesson. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you about the video. And New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, university professor, journalism teacher, and school people advisor, outstanding teacher. If I could mention, if you would please, humility aside, author, writer of 22 books. Speak Tagalog is my first book. A basic primer written by yours truly, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. My students call me Miss Gutierrez. In Tagalog, Binibining Gutierrez. And on the right, excuse me please, I'm excited. On the left, this is an English Tagalog book I entitled Christ Like Mom and Dad. In Tagalog, Maka Diyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. And all my 22 books you'll find worldwide at Amazon, OutskirtsPress.com, all online stores, Amazon, and my two websites. I am inviting you to visit my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. For those of you who are asking what BSCD-MSCD means, it is Bachelor of Science in Education. I graduated at the University of the East in Manila, Philippines, together with all of my brothers and sisters from elementary, high school to our college graduation. Thanks be to God for giving us wonderful parents. MSCD, Master of Science in Education. I graduated at Fordham University here in Manhattan, New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years and more. In this, my 22 books you'll find worldwide. And I will not keep you waiting. Today we're going to study Tagalog. This is how it is pronounced. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable. Tagalog. 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 Pananda. 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 In English, marker. Or with S, plural, markers. It all means the same word. Pananda. Markers in English. And plural in Tagalog, maramihan. Maramihan. First syllable ma, second syllable ra, third syllable mi, fourth syllable han. The accent is in the third syllable, maramihan. 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 That's plural. And we have two Tagalog pananda or markers. It is ng mga. This is how it is pronounced because in Tagalog, ng mga. Ng mga. In English, of those. Of those. Nina. Nina. That means they. And singular in Tagalog, pang-isahan. Pang-isahan. First syllable pang, second syllable i, third syllable sa, fourth syllable han. The accent is in the third syllable, pang-isahan. Pang-isahan. That means singular. And we have this marker or pananda in Tagalog, English markers. Ni. That means in English him, her, his. We already have her here. Apologize, there's two. And nang means of. So those are the Tagalog pananda or markers. Excuse me, please. Let's review plural. In English, maramihan. Maramihan. Examples ng mga. Ng mga. In English, of those. Nina. Nina. In English, they. Singular. In Tagalog, pang-isahan. 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 Singular. Examples, ni. It could be him, her, his. And nang is of. So those are the Tagalog pananda or markers. And I hope you learned something today. Thank you all so very much. See you in the next video. Thank you all for watching, and I would like to thank all my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, excuse me please, Happy New Year 2026, and moving forward, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah, celebrations of life for all of us, blessings of Christ, love and light to us all. I am presence, blessing us with long lives, prosperity, good health, peace, unity, compassion, forgiveness, happiness, love and light to us all. Enjoy.